So guys, now moving on to our second product, another one from Nokia. This is the Nokia 8 Sirocco. I'm sure you must have been seeing the old Nokia 8 Siroccos, if you're from my generation, that is. I'm not that old. But yeah, I mean, this is another level of mobile. Of course, a very premium mobile and has quite a lot of features. But before I say anything else, let's go and check what's in the box.
Up in the cold north, we're taught to craft extraordinary things you can depend on in real life. And in real life, your friends aren't models, so you depend on the quality of your camera. In real life, you like embarrassing music, but in great quality. And real life isn't a joyride. So you need a phone that smoothly guides you to that friendly car mechanic for yet another ripoff. Ordinary life deserves an extraordinary phone.
So let's see what's in the box. Wow, this is just amazing. I really am quite impressed with the kind of style that this mobile has. Oh, it looks beautiful, beautiful all across. Can't wait to open that. It's similar, like I said, with the Nokia 7 Plus. You have the SIM ejector. Let's see what's in there. Wow. So here you have another case. This time, it's not similar to that one. That one is a bit too flexible. This one's plastic. Yes, and it has a really good matte finish to it towards the end. Is that it? Yeah, it has a good matte finish to it. So quite an interesting concept of having the cover of the mobile within the box. And then after that you have, of course, the guide. Let's see here. I'm sure it's going to be the charger and the headphones. So let's see. Wow, this is super unique. So like I said, since this is a premium mobile, we've got some really cool stuff. Of course, the charger, the USB-C, and these headphones. Quite interesting. Somewhat similar, but the cord there, if you see that, is pretty much nylon and synthetic. So it's really cool in terms of how they differentiate both the mobiles in terms of the quality. I must say this is quite a good setup in terms of the way they've packed this mobile and the way they presented it. But what's interesting, guys, is this particular device. It's not there in the Nokia 7 Plus. This one here actually goes with the headphones. Yes, so this is a USB-C dongle that comes with 3.5mm jack. That is a convert your 3.5mm jack to work as a headset. So that's kind of interesting. It's a good add-on. Let's see how it looks when we connect it with the mobile. Okay, so let's have a look at this mobile. I mean, since I said it's brand new packed, I just don't want to damage the packing because it's so beautifully packed. And there we go. Wow, this is just beautiful. I mean, I really wish that you guys could feel this. It has an amazing feel to this particular mobile. And it really fits well. I mean, honestly, the kind of trim that it has, it's got this really black glaze that you can see there that's running all across with this silver line, a metal trim as well. Quite interestingly, I'm sure this is one of the best mobiles I've seen so far. So isn't that beautiful? To start with, let's start with the back side again. Like I said, primary camera 12 megapixel, secondary camera 13 megapixel camera. Brilliant. Quite important is that this 13 megapixel camera is a telephoto camera, like I said earlier, 2x zoom. So that's brilliant. And we have the seamlessly integrated finger sensor over here, which is brilliant to unlock your phone. Now let's go towards the front. Comes equipped with a 5 megapixel camera, and what you see here is a 5.5-inch OLED display, which is an amazing clarity, honestly, with the kind of stuff it is. Let me switch it on and show it to you guys. Okay, honestly, this display is very much different from what I see from most mobiles, because this comes equipped with a Gorilla Glass 5, and honestly, this is something that's fine with taking your everyday knocks across places and stuff like that. But because this glass is so different, it has a different feel to the screen. Honestly, I'm not sure if you can see that as such, but I'm just going through the different kind of stuff to set up the mobile. And like I can see here, the quality of that display is just outstanding. And honestly, I'm seeing this for the first time on a mobile. It is quite different. This particular display has a 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is quite the experience. I mean, if I have to go and browse through most of this stuff, the colors are so vibrant, the feel is so different, and every angle that I look at, I mean, it's got edge-to-edge display all across on the side, so that's beautiful. And this mobile honestly has some really cool features, especially on the camera. So you have a pro feature within the camera where you can control ISO, you can control all the kind of features that you want for an advanced kind of a DSLR camera, which is quite interesting because you wouldn't expect to use most of a premium range mobile like this. It seems more of like a businessman kind of a phone, you know, but this has some really cool stuff. So this particular mobile has a stainless steel frame, and quite interesting is the whole concept of the silver trim, which looks, of course, really beautiful. 6 GB RAM, 128 GB of internal memory, of course, can be expanded to 256. Quite a lot of memory, honestly, in terms of usage of this mobile. You can take a lot of pictures, and the display is about 2000. So that's just brilliant in terms of the way they have packaged this particular mobile with the kind of features that it has. So like I said earlier, this particular headphones come with the USB-C that goes in this particular dongle. It's quite interesting that Nokia are innovating their way of using the headphones and stuff like that. This is quite interesting because not many mobiles are taking the chance to, you know, innovate with the kind of features that they have on their mobile. So yeah, so you have this that goes in directly out here as the headphone, and this one here can be used as a 3.5mm jack. So if at all you're listening to your headphones, you can just use any headphone connected here and then replace that and use the dongle right here. So pretty cool to carry a dongle around now with this particular mobile. But in terms of its color, this is the only color that's available as of now, black, and the retail price for this is just about 2,399 dirhams, available at your local electronics store.
Up in the cold north, we're taught to craft extraordinary things you can depend on in real life. And in real life, your friends aren't models, so you depend on the quality of your camera. In real life, you like embarrassing music, but in great quality. And real life isn't a joyride. So you need a phone that smoothly guides you to that friendly car mechanic for yet another ripoff. Ordinary life deserves an extraordinary phone.
So that brings us to the end of the episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed our episode and you enjoyed most of the details that we shared with you. Like I said, we try our best to come up with the latest stuff and also bring out some really cool news out to you guys that could really help you make your daily life easy. Till then, guys, this is Hami Vlogs signing off. Cheerio.